In this video, I'm going to show you 5 tricks that can help you to work better with After Effects, and it only takes 3 minutes of your time to learn them, and it starts right now. Tip number 1. You can change your After Effects UI color by pressing Ctrl plus F12 to open the console command. And if you see a white screen, right click on the console menu and make sure you check Debug Database View box, and then type for enable_theme. And then check the box that says enable theme color menu and theme coloring. Once you've done that, go towards the edit and then in preferences select appearance, and then you can change the After Effects UI color in here. Tip number 2. If you want to create an advanced shadow for your leg in a wall cycle, you can do this step. Here I have this animation that I want to create a shadow effect for it. So I'm just gonna select one of the limbs and then I'm gonna add the compound arithmetic effect. This effect allows you to get a copy from a layer. So I'm just gonna choose the second limb and then I'm gonna set the operator on copy. As soon as I do that, the leg will turn black, and that is because we need to change the operate channel to ARGB. Now the leg is still here, but it's sort of out of position. So I'm just gonna add a transform effect and then I'm gonna adjust it beneath the second leg. Now it is time to change its color to black by adding a fill effect. Lastly, we can add a set matte effect to cast the shadow on the second leg. And on the last step, we can reveal the original leg by adding a CC composite effect. Change the transfer mode to behind and uncheck the box RGB only. Tip number 3. You can create an anticipation for your animation with only 2 keyframes. Here I have this X logo design and I will animate it for one entire rotation on 2 seconds. And now if I adjust the graphs, I can simply add an anticipation by pushing the first graph a bit down. As you see in here, this will set the rotation value on minus, which is what we want. Keep this in your mind that this effect only works on the rotation property. Tip number 4. If you want to create an gradient noise texture to stylize your animation, you can do this step. Duplicate the layer that you want to add the texture to it. In my case, it's body. Change its color to a darker shade and select one of the shape tools, and with the mask tool highlighted, draw a mask. Now press F to go towards the feather option and increase the feather. Now as you see, we have the gradient. Now in order to add the noise, simply add the noise effect. Uncheck use color noise box and then increase the amount. You can do this step for all of the layers and boost your design with this simple trick. Tip number 5. You can easily create an offset loop for your animation. Here I have this circle animation that is ping pong looped for 1 second. Now if I change the keyframe positioning, as you see, this will mess up our loop. So to fix that, I'm just gonna add a looping ping pong expression at the beginning, and then I'm just gonna add a plus in between, and lastly I'm just gonna hit space once and then I'm gonna write minus value. And now we can offset our keyframes without messing the loop. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, and if you are interested in these type of videos, you can check the path animation tips and tricks which will come up right now.